Hey everyone! So we are going to start with a placemat from Dollar Tree. You can use whichever one you want. Just make sure that it is double-sided. In other words, you can open it up along a seam and have a little hole, a little opening. You're just going to be extremely careful and use an X-Acto knife, or you can use a little pair of scissors, and you're just going to open up the threads and you're just going to make a little hole. And then you're going to I used grocery sacks, but you can use polyfill, you can use whatever you have, and you're just going to stuff the hole until you have an appropriate amount of fluff. Now, I went ahead and used a dryer sheet just for some nice fragrance inside my pillow. So I put that in there along with my grocery sacks. And I just stuffed it until I had kind of an appropriate amount of fullness. I didn't go overboard. And then I'm going to use a combination of Fabri-Tac, which is a fabric glue, and hot glue. I want the hot glue for the immediate kind of seal, and then the Fabri-Tac is going to seal the fabric closed, but it does take an hour or more for it to dry, so that's why I use the hot glue. And I'm just using binder clips to clip it together, and I'm just going to go down and I'm just going to seal this hole all the way up. Then I'm going to leave it like this with the binder clips for at least an hour. In fact, if I remember correctly, I left this overnight. And then this is how it turned out. You can use this inside or outside. The fabric of the placemat is such that you can use it in either place. This is out on my deck. Super easy, super quick. Let me know what you think in the comments.